So guys, here we are back out at the Traxxas Summit on a 2S lipo. We're just going to be taking on completely different terrain here. Like I said, there's almost like a mini little crawler rock racer, so we'll see how it can handle the mud. So I won't be going too fast at times. We'll maybe pick it up, but it's just to give you guys an idea how well it handles everything. You have to control the throttle, so you can see with not too much how super cool this little thing is. Again, the Habayo Hyper TT would have struggled badly with this. Even though it's a lot smaller, it's still immense. It's climbing, it's going to be tricky here, but doing a great job. No, falling over again guys, but need to just keep that footage going. No. So it will do all sort of like mud bogging, for example. Fortunately I'm going to have to follow this around, but it gives you a good idea guys of what it's capable of if you do pick one up yourself. Yeah, this is a lot more tricky here. We'll head over another direction, keep it going, try and keep it on all fours if I can. It is quite difficult guys. It is a small RC, but at least I'm not cheating, I'm not including the footage where it doesn't roll over, because then I wouldn't be showing you how well it runs. But that's maybe just a little bit small for things like that. But here, it's great. So it's over again. Nice one. So as you can see guys, it can be used as kind of like a little crawler. It does just want to push through everything. Yeah, but the right terrain guys, that's what it's all about. You just got to find your limits and then you'll be fine. Like I am just now. But you can see how well it does handle the bumps and jumps. It is tiny, so you have to pick the right terrain, and when you do, it works well. I am still in the winter here, of course. Let's go. And there we go. Super cool guys. There we go, picking the speed up a little bit. And it's just sort of making its way through that long grass. Again, it's a good RC just to work on your skills. And it's great fun guys, this thing would be awesome in the snow. See, it runs so much better on flat ground. You can see a little jump up ahead. Yeah, that's where the wheelie bar might come in handy a little bit. I mean, maybe it'll do a little bit jumping because it won't allow the rear end to just fall over. Sorry, flip backwards. But it's testing this guys, that's what I wanted to always do. There we go, full throttle all the way. And it does look cool. Now it wants to just push through all that grass. Yeah, it's really cool guys. You roll over. So I do recommend this guys. Oh, landed on a wheelie there, side wheelie. Yeah, it's very cool, guys. It'll be amazing in really soft mud. You know, where it really had to put the work in. And you can see it's just dragging up all that corn, but it's doing it so well. And we've still got the 3S lipo to go. I just wanted to see how it could handle this mud. And it's doing really well so far. But as I said, guys, it's super miserable and cold and wet and dark out here. But you can see the lights working, and you can see the full suspension doing its job. Like I said, just a load of fun. Yeah, now that I've kind of adjusted to it, guys, I can see what it can handle and what it can't, what's good for it and what's not. Yeah, it's great fun. And so guys, I don't think there's too much that I can show you of this now. You can see what it can and can't handle. You know, if it's too steep it won't be able to climb, but it does want to soak up all the jumps. I am on about a quarter to half throttle most of the time. You know, if you get on a good run, you can push it further down like I am just now, but then it does just want to jump too much. That was cool. But I'm sure I'll find a lot of different terrains for this, guys, and we'll give the 3S lipo a blast and we'll see what it can do. I would have loved it if there was some deep water puddles, but that's it around. Time, guys, has been about 7 minutes, so I've got a good run out of that. There's not much more that I can show here, so I hope you enjoyed watching just that little run. You know, there wasn't much excitement in it, but it is what it is. Again, it can show you just how versatile it is. And we've got this deep muddy water here. It's working its way through. Off it goes. I can't get too close to that, guys, or I won't get out. You can see it wants to go through. This is why you need a washing machine in Scotland, because the things get very dirty. Wants to follow the same path. Almost made it. Almost. Come on, little one. Yep. So guys, I'm going to end it there. I hope you enjoyed watching that sort of mud bogging with the Mini Summit. And we'll make some footage soon, guys. So like and subscribe to RC's World. Thanks for watching.